Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the cost of replacing a catalytic converter. The total expense can vary widely, influenced by several key factors. Your vehicle's specific make and model play a big role, as do the labor rates at your chosen repair shop. Additionally, the choice between an aftermarket or original equipment manufacturer part significantly impacts the final price. Understanding these elements will help you anticipate the overall investment. When considering the parts, aftermarket catalytic converters usually cost between $200 and $700. However, original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, parts are often more expensive, ranging from $500 to $2,500. For some specialized or high-performance vehicles, the converter itself could even exceed $3,000. Remember, some vehicles have multiple converters, which will increase the total part cost. Beyond the part itself, labor is a significant cost. Installation typically takes 1 to 3 hours for most vehicles, with labor rates ranging from $70 to $130 per hour. This means labor costs usually fall between $100 and $400. More complex installations, such as those on vehicles with V6 or V8 engines, might require additional time and specialized work, increasing the overall labor expense. In summary, the total cost to replace a catalytic converter typically ranges from $300 to $2,900, including both parts and labor. For certain high-end vehicles or intricate exhaust systems, this cost could even exceed $3,500. It's always wise to get several quotes from trusted mechanics and inquire about warranties on the new converter to ensure you're getting a fair price and protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.